This is a large perennial salvia by the name of Indigo Spires, and it's through with its first bloom cycle. You can see all the spent blooms that are on it. And so the rule of thumb when pruning this at this time of the year is to take 1/3 of the plant back. What this will do is encourage the plant to repeat bloom and get another cycle out of it. So what we're going to do is we're pretty much going to take about 1/3 of the plant, making sure that you remove all your spent blooms. As you can see, it's already trying to put on some new blooms, but what this will do is it will really encourage a lot of new growth and more blooms. This way you get 2 seasons worth of growth out of your plant, and it makes it look tidy. This will also keep it from getting so tall and leggy. This particular plant likes to do that. Likes to get very tall. And so this will encourage it to stay a little bit shorter and more compact throughout its year. This is a perennial that is deciduous, and so at the end of the year it's cut all the way back to the ground, about 6 inches from the ground, into a nice neat little crown, and overwinters that way. It comes back very rapidly in the spring, so you get a very nice, very early bright blue color from this plant.